Welcome to the powerPLM demo. In this video, let's explore the execution of a change order workflow between Vault and Fusion 360 managed through powerPLM. Currently, we are in Fusion 360 Manage where a change order is observed. Metadata is also present, along with attachments such as a change instruction PDF and an error description PDF. Additionally, for affected items are attached to this change order. Furthermore, the approval flow indicates that it is currently in the state of perform change, which serves as the configured trigger. Once the change order in Fusion 360 Manage reaches this state, it triggers synchronization. Meanwhile in Vault, the engineering change orders list is currently empty. However, since the change order in Fusion 360 Manage is in the perform change state, we can proceed to a job processor machine and start it up. This action immediately synchronizes all the data. The job processor machine connects to Fusion 360 Manage and retrieves information about all the change orders in that specific state. Subsequently, it automatically generates the engineering change orders in Vault based on this information. Returning to Vault and refreshing the interface, we can observe that the change orders have been created. By selecting one of them, all the metadata associated with it will be displayed. Moving to the Records section, we can see that the 4 items have been automatically attached to the change order. Additionally, in the Files list, we find 2 attachments that have been downloaded from Fusion 360 Manage, uploaded to Vault, and linked to the ECO. Finally, the engineer can proceed to work on these changes using the Vault ECO functionality. They have the option to submit the ECO, thereby accepting the changes. For example, they can navigate to the items and put an item into Work in Progress mode, allowing them to start working on the associated file and carry out the engineering changes. Importantly, new items can also be added to the ECO in Vault. During the process of working on the changes, the engineer may discover that additional items are involved in the change. By simply adding them to the ECO, they can submit and close it. Just before closing the ECO, Vault prompts for the release of all affected items. Upon releasing the items, they are synchronized back to the items and BOM workspace in Fusion 360 Manage. Additionally, this triggers a job that synchronizes the change orders between Vault and Fusion 360 Manage. Now, on the job processor machine, the synchronization process is complete. The system recognizes that this specific ECO has been set to closed. As a result, it automatically updates this information in Fusion 360 Manage. Returning to the engineer's machine, in Vault, they can use the contextual menu of the ECO to find a new item or a button that enables them to navigate to the browser of Fusion 360 Manage, specifically to this change order. Within this view, all 5 affected items can be seen, including the original 4 and the newly added 1. Everything is conveniently displayed. Lastly, it is worth noting that the complete workflow action has been executed, and this information can be found in the change log.